Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This is the most powerful natural antibiotic ever. Kills any infection in the body. Hi friends, today I'm sharing with you a powerful natural antibiotic recipe that can cure all the infections and kill parasites in your body. I have made it very short and to the point, so watch it till the end to get full information. Antibiotic resistance is becoming a really big threat to public safety. This phenomenon occurs when bacteria that has been exposed to antibiotics begin to develop a resistance. This doesn't occur in individuals but in the bacteria themselves, making it a health threat to anyone. According to the World Health Organization, antimicrobial resistance is present in all parts of the world, with new resistance mechanisms emerging and spreading globally. This winter, you were probably a victim of a poor immune system, or you still are. I suggest you try some extremely helpful solutions in order to make your natural antibiotic. This natural antibiotic is quick, easy to make, and extremely beneficial. It has no side effects over your body as well. Natural antibiotic ingredients, preparation and instructions are as follows. You will require 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons ginger powder, half tablespoon ground chili peppers, half tablespoon cinnamon, 3.3 oz fresh lemon juice. Add the crushed garlic, ginger powder, chili powder and cinnamon to the lemon juice. Now mix all ingredients together and add the honey in the end. Let it rest for 3 hours on room temperature. Keep it in a glass container and store it in the fridge. Every morning before you eat, take 1 teaspoon of the syrup. If you already have a cold, take 1 teaspoon of the syrup but 3 times a day. Also before eating. You will notice the difference very soon. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.